Today we're making Panda Express's Kung Pao chicken. These delicious rice bowls are a fraction of the cost you pay eating out, but taste exactly the same. Let's get cooking. We're going to cut one zucchini into about 1/2 inch wide, 1/4 wedges. This makes them nice and bite-sized. Next, we'll cut one red bell pepper into about 1/2 inch squares. Next, we'll dice our chicken into about 1 inch cubes. For the marinade, add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. For our sauce, measure out 3 tablespoons of water before adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix thoroughly to dissolve the cornstarch. We'll also go ahead and mix together our chicken marinade. Refrigerate and let marinate for at least 1 hour for best results. On a clean cutting board, we'll also mince 2 garlic cloves and add these to our sauce. Now it's time to cook. On a pan set to medium-high heat, add some dried chili peppers. If you like your Kung Pao chicken a little bit more spicy, be sure to crack some of these open. Next, we'll add our chicken and let that cook. Once the chicken is done cooking, we'll put it aside and cook our veggies, adding more chili peppers and some scoops of our sauce. Once the veggies are partially cooked, we'll go ahead and add our chicken back to the pan. We'll slowly add more of our sauce and chili peppers as well, making sure to continuously toss everything together. We can also begin to gradually add some of our peanuts and remaining sauce. Make sure that if the sauce has been sitting for a while that the cornstarch stays suspended by mixing it up. We'll continue to toss everything, making sure that all the veggies have a nice coating of our sauce and that the peanuts and chili peppers are mixed in nicely. Once we hit a nice golden brown color to everything, we can pour it out into a bowl for packing. While we let it cool off, we can make our 4 cups of white rice. Check out the video linked below on how to make rice in an Instapot for details. We can now portion everything out. Just like at Panda Express, these bowls are about the same size as getting a Panda bowl. We can then scoop out our kung pao chicken into all 6 containers. This meal is great for lunch and dinner and has a nice mix of protein and veggies. It also tastes remarkably like eating out, so let me know in the comments if you honestly can taste the difference. We'll go ahead and pack everything up and refrigerate for up to about a week. To reheat, simply microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes. If we look at our cost breakdown, we can see that each serving is about $2. The cost of a Panda bowl with steamed rice and kung pao chicken at an actual Panda Express is $8.20. So for about 1/4 of the cost, we've just meal prepped 6 of these delicious bowls that are arguably identical. I'm also working on putting together a video that better describes how to utilize the capsule pantry and some common ingredients that are essential to have on hand. Let me know how this recipe goes in the comments below and what meals you want to see next.